AI once lived behind screens. Now it steps into the real world. Intelligence is no longer confined to the cloud. The brain is everywhere. AI now has a body, sensing, acting, transforming the world it touches. And it's binding every intelligent device into one living network. It sees. It moves. It connects. This is where the next era begins. Global visionaries, 500 startups, 23 nations of innovation. COMPUTEX 2026. We make it happen together.